Hey guys, fireworks! Whoa, on my truck.
No.
Are you drunk again?
No, this is my favorite monster.
You want to light it so that when
Weirdo.
it's in the air, it blows.
Hey, you're
Throw
burning
it.
the guy's car,
Now.
bro.
Oh, that's in your truck
AK,
for
you
sure.
where? We're gonna land one in your truck for sure.
Okay, don't.
Yeah, all of them pretty much.
Look at that.
Not when you shoot.
Look at that little girl.
It's gonna blow up that guy's car.
Yeah.
You're terrifying her.
Wasn't that supposed to be in the air?
This one is a good one.
Neighbors like, just smoking.
Hello.
You're gonna call the cops on you guys.
Don't call the cops on us, okay?
Dude.
Oh! Andre!
Whose car is that, bro?
Downstairs.
Oh.
Downstairs. Oh.
Okay, those are good fireworks.
Missed the car.
Look at those fireworks over there.
They're over there.
They're like sitting in the sky like forever.
They're like slowly falling.
You see, they didn't light up anymore. They hit the car and
Hit the car, it didn't work.
Yeah, it didn't work.
How?
That poor dude's car.